fix Samsung fast charging not working problem. So if you want to fix the Samsung fast charging not working problem, then here are some steps. So the first issue might be the physical damage. When a Samsung fast charger is not working properly, it could be mainly due to the physical damage to any part of the charging device. So if it's damaged, like if it's wear tear, then you just need to simply change your charger and your problem might be fixed. And the second fix is the software issues. So software issues also play a role in malfunctioning of Samsung fast charging capability. So you just need to simply go for your software updates and make sure to update your software on your Samsung device. Or you can also check and replace the cable and adapter and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way to do that is you need to simply go and factory reset. If the problem persists even after checking the physical components and updating software, performing a factory reset can be a last resort. You can simply go to your settings, general management, and reset, and you can factory reset the data. But before resetting your factory, make sure to go to your nearest store and check why you're facing that problem. Because after factory resetting, you will erase all of the data that you have on your device. So make sure that you share your data to another device or to your laptops. So to prevent that problems, you need to ensure the safe charging practices and you need to maintain your device. You need to have the regular device maintenance. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.